Today we will look at histograms. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of numerical data. It consists of a series of adjacent rectangles, or bins, each representing a range of values, and the height of each rectangle corresponds to the frequency, or number of occurrences, of values within that range. Let's start. Make sure to import base packages before we start visualizing data. Let's import our dataset for this session called penguins. Run the head function to look at the data. It basically gives the physical attributes of all penguins in terms of species and their corresponding numerical details. Let's plot the histogram for body mass using hist function. Give the dataset and body mass as x parameter. Perfect. You will see a beautiful histogram of body mass for penguins. You can control the number of bins as well. Let's give it size 10. Now you will see histogram for exactly 10 bins. You can narrow it down to 20 as well. The hue argument will help us break this histogram. Let's do it for species. Great! Now you see the histogram for 3 species in the dataset. The red one tend to have body mass in higher range comparatively. In order to avoid overlapping of histograms, we can use stack argument. The element argument will remove the vertical boundaries of each bin. Lastly, let's add the cherry on the cake. It's called KDE argument, which is basically a trend line. Let's rewrite the function and set this argument equals true. Perfect. Let's now give hue argument to have trend line for each individual species. Well done. See you in the next lecture. Like and subscribe so that you receive latest updates on this exciting series.